Hi, good afternoon. I'm Aditya. Hi, I would like to talk now about HoSaksham. This is a company, this is dear to me, and then this is something that we have started along with my friend about a year back. I'd like to put a small intro and then get into like I think what are the problems that we are solving and how we are positioned today. I'm Aditya. I have around 19 years of experience working in IT. Like I started as a programmer, and then I gradually transitioned into multiple leadership roles. In my last role, I was with Amazon India, and then I had a team in New York and India. Like I think managing largely in the advertising space. Like I think we look into the payments and billing space. That's what I was doing about a year, and prior to that I was working with Upstocks, Uber and few other companies. My partner, unfortunately, he's not around. Like I think he'll be probably pitching it. It was his idea, by the way. Like I think he will start pitching it to you, maybe. Like I think if you get shortlisted directly. He earlier worked in Microsoft, and he was a principal engineer there. And we both also worked for a couple of years in Samsung. Like that was way back, 10 years back, and then we happened to meet, and then HoSaksham happened. Before actually wasting more time on intros and other things, I would like to quickly tell you about like the product HoSaksham and what our vision and what is the North Star and how we are placed right now. One of the HoSaksham means like I think be successful. Ho is Hindi ho, and Saksham is successful. It means capable, right? And next, I think what is the problem that we are after today is largely in the payment automation space. Imagine a sports academy. Imagine someone else like I think running a coaching center. They have hundreds of students. Every month they take the payments. Even though UPI is there, like typically they operate out of WhatsApp today. Everyone shares a screenshot, like, and there is significant amount of effort actually figuring out who has paid, who was not paid. The extreme case when we did the market study, people were saying that they were employing someone by paying them 10-15,000 to do what you call accounting for them. It's not a problem only to academies. We've seen that this is same problem happens for small time coaches, fitness trainers. It happens. It's a problem that is spread across like domains. For instance, right, payment collection is a problem. Like I think for academies, for rental houses, for what you call small time coaches, for crash, play school. The bigger ones, really big ones, have their own software. For instance, right, Byju's has its own software, but there is huge potential, like I think, in this market space where I think that's where we come in as a host section. Our North Star is exactly not that. Like I think what we wanted to do is we want to organically capture a small and medium business market at one side and a consumers at the other side. Today, what we do, like I think we give an app as of now, like I think through web and mobile apps, and we have mobile variants also, Android, iOS as well. So people can raise invoice, like I think track attendance, do some of the ledger management and some of the housekeeping stuff that they typically have to spend more money and time on that. That will get saved by this app. We have onboarded like around 11 paying customers as of now, and on the customer side, like all of them together, they have more than 1,600 or 2,000 customers already using and paying via our app. So what happens is these guys raises invoice. The customer side of it is today is WhatsApp. They get an invoice in WhatsApp, they make a payment, and then it gets auto recorded here. This guy need not spend a lot of time figuring out who paid, who has not paid. And we also build attendance. We also build like some kind of log keeping. So we also build something like bookkeeping over there. And in short, like I think this is what we do. Our vision largely is not just limited to this, capturing some of these businesses. Our larger vision is to build a two-side marketplace. At one end, while the small and medium companies will be there, at the other side of the thing, like the WhatsApp will slowly evolve into an app where like people can discover these services. It's going to be a marketplace where like a lot of people might visit. We also have ability to organize events, run an offer, maybe slot booking. We also are building like an e-commerce like storefront like Shopify, where a lot of these people can actually sell their products online. And once we have sizable number of customers to the order of few million, the revenue that is going to come on the other side of the marketplace, we call it Go Plunder today, is going to surpass the amount of revenue that we are going to get through what you call HoSaksham or Saksham subscriptions. While we can spend a lot of money like actually building this two-way marketplace, traditionally building two-way marketplaces are extremely difficult. right? So you have to either spend millions. Example, Uber, like Uber spent millions of dollars over a decade. Zomato spent millions of dollars. Now they started making money out of it. We wanted to avoid that. We wanted to organically grow while we build tools on one side of the spectrum, where like for small and medium businesses, the other side organically grows, and we launch Go Plunder, and that is a larger vision. And we can also, once we have sizable user base, we can also get into augmented what you call revenue streams. Like we can open up lending for them. We can open up like other domains where I think we can make some money from it. It's not just about money. We also want to create an employment at scale. We idolize companies like Uber, companies like Urban Company, which have created millions of jobs, and we would ideally want to be there and creating thousands of jobs through HoSaksham. Thank you. I hope you liked it, and then I will be in touch. Bye.